Hey guys, how's it going? So today in this video, we're going to be showing you the future value for any investment using Excel. So we're going to start off by taking the rate, let's say 10%, the number of years, let's say is 10, our payment annually, let's say is $2,000, and let's say we start off with an initial investment of $10,000. So what we're going to do from there is put into account, and then we're going to take the future value, so equals FV tab, and then we're going to go the rate, comma, number of years, comma, the payment, comma, initial investment. So the payment and initial investment have to be negative because they are being taken away from your account and they are going into the future value. And that'll give you your future value number of any investment that you want to do. You can change these numbers around however you want. So what we're going to do is we're going to go below and we're going to hit Control D after highlighting the whole area, which will copy the function below. And then we can play around with it. So let's say you want to give in $5,000 cash every year instead of $2,000. Let's say you want to do 25 years instead of 10. You see the difference? It changes into your future value. As you see, we changed the rate and it increases dramatically. And that is future value using Excel for any investment.